Hey guys, Virginia Franco here. Today I want to talk through one of the problems that people face when they submit their resume online, and it gets read by Applicant Tracking Software System or ATS. And it happens when they work for a company for a long period of time and they hold several roles within that organization. So what a lot of people do is, and I've got a sample resume here, is that they have the name of the company that they worked with here. Is this guy, I don't know, he worked 2001 to present. And he has, I'm just going to show you two of the roles. So he worked at one role for the last 6 years and one role the year before that. Um, when you submit this resume online, as it stands now, ATS sort of only gives you credit for the job title that it sees directly below the company name. So the ATS will score the years spent working in this 2014 to present role, but it very well might overlook the previous role, this one that happened in 2005 up till 6 years ago. So, one solution is to sort of list the company name and the job title every single time. But what that does is it sort of makes the reader think that you have been moving from company to company. And without a sharper, sort of more detailed look, that's what they might think. So what I do to overcome that is that when I am writing out the details about the earlier roles, I'm going to put my cursor right after the job title, and I'm going to write ABC Bank right after that. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bold it, and highlight it, and then I'm going to change the font to white. And so what that does is it allows the reader to sort of see your career progression, recognize it's with the same company, but when you submit it online, ATS will be able to read this. ATS doesn't look at colors, it just looks at words. And it will see that job, SVP Senior Relationship Manager 2005 to 2014, happened while this client was working with ABC Bank. So it allows that role to get factored into the ATS scoring. So I hope that helps.